Yet another counter that we are watching out for today is Ashiana Housing as well. The company has launched one of its residential project, and the counter did react positively to that particular news which came out today. We've got more details now coming in from the management.
Yes, we're joined by Mr. Ankur Gupta, Joint Managing Director at Ashiana Housing, to talk to us about the launch of Ashiana Anmol. This is a residential project coming up in Sohna in Gurgaon. Mr. Gupta, thank you so much for speaking with us at NDTV PROFIT. Can you tell us what kind of launch are you looking at, what is the saleable area, and what kind of response have you got for this project? Is it an affordable housing project?
We basically, this is about 11,50,000 square feet project where we're looking at revenues of about 600 crores. This is affordable is a very questionable statement, so I don't like to use that word. I like to use it's a middle income housing project which basically will start around 65 lakhs and go up to about 1 crore 10 lakhs. For the market we're looking at, we believe that it will suit the pockets of the middle income there.
Right. What kind of response have you got for this kind of a project? Because, for now, the longest time, we've hardly heard of any new launches happening in the NCR region.
Yeah, the market is definitely challenging, but we have got quite a decent response. We've got about 90 odd bookings, and they're from basically corporates around the Gurgaon market.
Right. Could you also give us a sense of what's the timeline that you're working towards when it comes to this particular project?
We'll be looking at completing this project in 4 to 5 years. Our phase 1 will be completed in 40 months.
All right. And also, what about the funds and all? Would you be looking forward to raise some funds for this particular project? And how many more launches are lined up, say, in this quarter, in the next financial year? Okay.
So we're not looking at raising any more funds for this particular project. We should be able to do it from internal accruals. This quarter we're not launching anything else, but next year we're looking at launching 2 senior living projects, one in Chennai and one in Calcutta. And we're looking at launching a regular group housing project in Bhiwadi. We're also looking at phase 2 of Ashiana Angan Neemrana to come online.
Right. What kind of realizations will you do for Ashiana Anmol?
We're looking at an average pricing of about 5,000 rupees a square foot, which should give us in all about 600 crores of revenue.
All right. Now, wanted to understand what are your expectations from the budget? And there's a lot of hope building up that there will be an impetus to affordable housing. You look at this entire development, does it mean that you will then start looking at doing more of affordable housing projects? Should it be easier to get funds, or there will be some fiscal incentives for that?
I think so. We think that the middle income housing has a huge amounts of requirement in the marketplace, and we will continue focusing our energies in that. And in some areas, what we call middle income would be falling in the affordable housing sector. One of the things which I strongly believe is if you want to promote affordable housing, you have to improve infrastructure and transportation in particular, because land prices are available for affordable housing a little further out of the city. So if you do improve on the infrastructure, the affordable housing should pick up, and I hope that happens with the budget coming through.
Any specific incentive that you're looking forward to help this particular sector at this point in time?
We thought the ATIV benefit which was given on the Income Tax Act earlier was very good, and if it can be reintroduced, it will add a lot of value on the affordable housing side.
All right, Mr. Gupta, thank you very much for joining us and giving us a sense of what's really the budget expectation as far as the housing space is concerned. And also they have launched a new project. The stock reacted sharply, and it continues to be up about 13.74% as we speak, trading at 307 rupees per share right now. We are stepping into a very short break. Don't go anywhere. We'll be speaking to the management of Indo Solar after that. Stay with us.